Hey y'all, welcome back to Jaxx Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. I got a quick and easy slow cooker recipe for you this morning. It's about 8:40. You can see I'm still in my damn long johns. I still hadn't put my face on yet, done anything with my hair. So hell, we got up at what, 6? Drank my coffee, whatever. Anyway, taking too much time. Black-Eyed Pea Stew. That's what we're gonna be making. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be easy, it's gonna be delicious. Even if you don't like black-eyed peas, you gotta give this recipe a try. I promise you, you're gonna love it. Black-eyed pea stew coming at you. I've already started, but you're gonna start with 1 pound of smoked sausage, and you're gonna chop this or slice this into rounds. Tip, these come in like a rope or whatever. Just start cutting them. You can cut them at the same time. You cut them about this thick. All right, so we're gonna finish cutting up this 1 pound. We're gonna get 1 onion. You can use half an onion. I'm gonna use 1 onion, and we're gonna throw this in the skillet, and we're gonna brown the sausage and the onions together. All right, we got this on a medium heat, just turned it on. See, I got my 1 pound of sausage in there. I got my 1 onion in there. We're just gonna kind of cook this up a little bit, brown our sausage and our onions together, then we'll move on to the next step. While your sausage and onions is browning up, get you 4 cans, and these are 15-ounce cans of black-eyed peas. So what I've noticed is you can go with an expensive brand of black-eyed peas if you want, but I don't know why, but I find these cheaper black-eyed peas work great. These are from Aldi. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour these in a colander, but you're gonna save 1 can off to the side, and you're gonna use the juice of 1 of these cans, but these we're gonna drain. You don't have to rinse them, just drain them. There's our 3rd can. And we'll just give them a little shake, make sure all the juice is off. Get your slow cooker, go ahead and throw those in there. We're gonna open our other can, put the whole can plus the juice in there. 1 10-ounce can of fire roasted Rotel. It's the diced tomatoes and green chilies. Put that whole can in there. We're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. This is a brand that I'm using right now. Raging Cajun, the original. I usually use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of that. Okay, it just depends sometimes about the Cajun seasoning. Sometimes I feel like it needs more, sometimes less. I don't know if it's how much this stuff releases in liquid or what. All right, next going in is some garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. All right, then we're gonna go in with a few shakes of Worcestershire. About that much. And we're also going in with 2 cups of chicken broth. Now you can see I'm using better than bouillon, but I just heated up my water. So I'm gonna have to get this bouillon out of here. Sorry, I know it's in the way. We're just gonna rake all that in there and then give it a stir. And you can see over there our sausage and our onions are getting close. We're about ready to put those in here in just a second. Okay, so we turned our heat off. So we're gonna just take all of this, grease and all now. Rake this in here. Make sure you get all that goodness. All right, we're just gonna stir this in and incorporate it. Good, just like that. We're gonna get our slow cooker going, and we're gonna cook it on low for 4 to 6 hours. I like to serve this over rice along with some homemade cornbread. All right, in case you're interested, this is the Beautiful brand slow cooker, and you can see why they call it beautiful, right? Because it's beautiful. All right, power, mode, it's on low, you can see right there, and then we're gonna hit the power button again. All right, 6 hours, and I know it doesn't look like much, but it comes together very nice. Now, this is what I wanna say about the Cajun seasoning. A lot of times, it's 1 to 2 tablespoons. You're just gonna have to, if you feel like it needs more, add that in the end. The reason why is because it depends on how much liquid is in that Rotel, how spicy your Rotel is. Also depends on how much liquids those vegetables are gonna release and how much more liquid a can of beans is. So just keep that in mind. You can see we're not fancy around here. I just sometimes get recipes that come to me like while I'm at the bank or something. Oh my goodness. Wow, that looks delicious. Oh man, that's gonna be good. All right, let's plate this up some. We're finishing our cornbread now. We got the cornbread in there. I can't show you that, but it's in there. As soon as that's ready, we'll plate it up. We're about ready to close this video out. We got our cornbread here. We were just taking some pictures, but oh, it's gonna be so good here. And the rice is in here. I know you can't see it, but it's in there, trust me. All right, we're gonna get us a little, it's cooled off a little bit, so here we go. Bon appetit. So good. We didn't add anything to it. Like when I said that sometimes you gotta add more Cajun seasoning, I didn't add anything else to it. Let's take a bite of this cornbread. I like to kind of dip my cornbread in that little bean juice. It's simple, it's hearty, it's pretty much passive time. You set it and forget it. Come home, you got a meal waiting for you, and it's a truly Southern dish. All right, guys. Black-eyed pea stew in your slow cooker. Do it.